friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a video with nothing but curbside deals. I know a lot of you love to shop from the comforts of your home, and there's a lot this week, a lot of new amazing deals. So I am really excited by this. For all the new Walgreens shoppers out there, you order this stuff through your cell phone, desktop, computer, or tablet, hit that blue button where you drive to the store and pick it up, and that is called a curbside. One thing to keep in mind for the curbside deals, register rewards will not print. Please don't ask, they just don't print. So that is a hard and fast rule. If you're more of a shopper that likes to go in store and look around and see what they have, especially a lot of the clearance, specifically food and detergent, and the deals that I did yesterday. I made a video where I was shopping in-store yesterday. I'll link it at the very end if you wish to check it out. I know a lot of you are more in-store shoppers. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please like this video, it would really help me out. If you could take a quick second right now and like this video, I would be so grateful. Okay, so the first deal that we have, we are going to be grabbing 2 of these bulldogs. They are called shave gels for $7.79, and they are in a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2 as well. How nice is that? We're going to load this digital coupon, which is a 7 off of 2. Looking at the mathematics, that's $11.63. Free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, that digital coupon melting off. You're going to pay $5.38. If you wish to roll $5 in Walgreens cash, you'll still earn your 4 back, but it shakes it out to super cheap. This is a terrific deal. Okay, now we're looking at deal number 2, and we are going to grab 2 of the Dove body washes for $14. They're $7 a pop. Load this BFF, which is a 7 off 2, and it reset. How lovely is that? 2 of those body washes is $14 on the nose. The curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax. Our $7 digital's coming off. Pay $7.84. I personally would use like $5 in Walgreens cash and then get back $4 in Walgreens cash. It makes these body washes $1.50 each. Okay, now we're at deal number 3. And this is going to be a spend one. So we're going to need this booster loaded, which is 6 back when you spend 25. And we are going to grab a Garnier micellar water for $10.99 and the pads for $10.49. The dealio with that, guys, is when you buy 20, you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash. So stacking it with that booster, super smart. Load the following digital coupons that include the $4 off for those pads and the $3 off for the micellar liquid. We're also going to grab 2 of these Mother's Day cards at $2.99. I know a lot of us got $3 digitals, so make sure that you have at least 2 $3 coupons. It'll make those completely for free. So this is what the basket's going to look like, guys. For the 2 Garnier and the 2 Mother's Day card, it's $27.46. Curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax. $12.98 is coming off. Your debit card, you're going to pay $16.13 and get back $11.27. It makes this basket a very smart deal. Okay, let's look at deal number 4, and we're going to use our friend again, this booster. So you pick which deal you want to use this booster with which offer, because you can only use it one time. So we are going to grab a L'Oreal Revitalift serum for $29.99 and then 2 Mother's Day cards again. I'm going to load this digital coupon, which is a $10 off. It's an only for you, so hopefully you got the same digital coupon as I. And then, of course, the Mother's Day card, which is a $3 off. Hopefully you have 2 of them for this offer. Now, looking at the basket, we're also going to put an offer code because we're spending $35 that if you put the code extra15, you're going to get an extra 15% off. So it's $3 off of this basket, not too shabby. So the overall basket is $35.97, $3 for the extra 15, free curbside pickup, $15.98 in coupons coming off. You're going to pay $18.97 with your debit card and then get back $6.35. Sorry, guys, I can't talk this morning. And remember to use your debit card as you're using the spend booster of spend 25, get back 6. Okay, deal number 5, everybody's favorite. So we're going to grab 4 of these Mother's Day cards priced at $2.99 for the sum of $11.96. Now, I know a lot of us got multiple digital coupons that you could load about 2 weeks ago for the Mother's Day. And this is what it looks like. I think altogether I got like 5 in my account. So we're going to need 4 for this. Make sure that you have 4 for this deal. Four into your account, it's $11.96, free curbside pickup, 72 cents in tax. $11.96 coming off, so you're just paying the tax for this. It's a very smart deal. You have to do this one as curbside because in store that $3 digital will not attach to a $2.99 card. It has to be a card that's $3 or more if you're doing this in store. Okay, now we're at deal number 6. Sorry guys, it's such a great week. I just made so many deals. We're going to grab 2 of the Garnier Whole Blend shampoo. They are 2 for $8, and then 1 Mother's Day card at $2.99. Make the decision, do you want the Fructis or the whole blends? I would go with the whole blends, but that's just my choice. Load both. Choose whichever one you want in a set of 2, either the whole blends or the Fructis. And we're also going to load that $3 digital for the Mother's Day card. What a great coupon as well. So the overall basket is $10.99, free curbside pickup, $5.99 in digitals coming off. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay the 66 cents, and call this a very smart basket. Okay guys, so now we're at deal number 7. We're going to load this guy, so it's another booster basket, $6 back when you spend $25. Make sure you have it loaded. And we're going to be grabbing 1 VitaFusion 60 count. It's a vitamin supplement for $13.99, and then 1 at 50% off. Load this digital coupon, which is a 10 off of 2. And then no big surprise here, we're going to also throw in 2 of the Mother's Day cards for $5.98. And for the Mother's Day cards, you need your digital coupons loaded, which is a $3 off. Okay, so looking at this overall basket, it is $26.96, free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, and $15.98 melting off. With your debit card, pay $11.34 because you have that spend booster. Don't use any Walgreens cash, and you're getting back $6.26 for your booster of spend 25, get back 6, or alternatively, you might have a spend 25, get back 7. Okay, the final deal that we're going to look at is deal number 8. This one is one of the men's Nivea shaving creams for $3.49, and then 2 of the Kids Axe mouth rinses. We're going to load this digital coupon for the Axe mouth rinse. Plus, I want you guys to go over to your coupons.com app. There's also $1 back for purchasing a mouthwash. So that is really nice. And then for the Nivea, the last coupon that you have to load is the $2.50 off for this shaving cream. So the overall basket, guys, for all of this magic is $13.07, free curbside pickup, $3.50 coming off. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay the 35 cents. You're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash for buying 2 of the Axe. Plus, you're getting $1 rebate from the coupons.com app. So it basically makes it like $5.35 for the 3 items, which I call a really good deal. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.